What if I told you that while everyone's fighting over the same tired McDonald's and Subway franchises, there's a hidden world of unconventional franchise opportunities that could make you serious money in 2026? Today, I'm revealing 30 unique franchise concepts that most people have never even heard of, and some of these might shock you with their profit potential. Before we dive into these game-changing opportunities, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I'm constantly researching and sharing the most profitable business ideas that others won't tell you about. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming. Let's start with something that sounds almost too good to be true. Mobile pet grooming franchises are exploding right now, while traditional brick-and-mortar pet shops struggle with overhead costs. Mobile units bring the service directly to customers' homes. The average investment ranges from $40,000 to $60,000, but franchisees are reporting monthly revenues of $8,000 to $15,000. Pet owners love the convenience, and you're tapping into the $67 billion pet industry that just keeps growing. Here's where it gets interesting, though. Drone services franchises are becoming the next big thing. We're not just talking about aerial photography anymore. These franchises offer everything from agricultural crop monitoring to real estate marketing, emergency response support, and even package delivery trials. The initial investment might seem steep at around $100,000, but early adopters are seeing returns that traditional franchises simply can't match. Now, let me share something that completely caught me off guard during my research. Senior care technology franchises are quietly revolutionizing elder care. These aren't traditional nursing facilities. Instead, they provide smart home monitoring systems, medication management technology, and virtual health check services for seniors who want to age in place. With baby boomers hitting retirement age, this market is about to explode, and the franchise model makes it accessible to entrepreneurs without healthcare backgrounds. Food trucks were just the beginning. Mobile franchise concepts are taking over multiple industries now. Mobile auto detailing franchises require minimal startup capital, often under $30,000, but they're generating impressive returns because customers pay premium prices for convenience. Mobile fitness franchises bring personal training directly to clients' homes or offices. Even mobile veterinary services are becoming popular, especially in suburban areas where pet owners struggle to transport larger animals. But here's something most people completely overlook: educational franchise opportunities beyond traditional tutoring centers. STEM education franchises, focusing on robotics, coding, and engineering for kids, are seeing massive demand as parents recognize these skills as essential for future careers. Adult education franchises teaching digital marketing, social media management, and e-commerce skills are thriving because traditional colleges aren't keeping up with rapidly changing technology demands. Eco-friendly franchise concepts deserve serious attention right now. Solar panel cleaning franchises might sound mundane, but they're incredibly profitable because solar installations are multiplying rapidly and dirty panels lose efficiency quickly. Green cleaning franchises using only environmentally safe products command higher prices than traditional cleaning services while appealing to health-conscious consumers. Waste reduction consulting franchises help businesses minimize environmental impact while cutting costs, creating win-win situations that generate strong client loyalty. The mental health and wellness sector offers surprising franchise opportunities that most entrepreneurs never consider. Meditation and mindfulness franchises aren't just trendy, they're addressing real mental health needs while generating solid profits. Float therapy franchises, where clients experience sensory deprivation in saltwater tanks, might sound unusual, but they're expanding rapidly in urban markets. Even specialized massage therapy franchises, focusing on specific techniques like reflexology or lymphatic drainage, are outperforming generic spa franchises. Technology repair and support franchises represent another overlooked goldmine. While everyone thinks about phone repair shops, specialized franchises fixing smart home devices, gaming equipment, or vintage electronics are finding profitable niches. Data recovery franchises serve both consumers and businesses facing digital disasters. Even computer training franchises for seniors are thriving as older adults struggle to keep up with rapidly evolving technology. Here's where things get really unconventional. Specialty cleaning franchises go far beyond standard house cleaning. Crime scene cleanup franchises, while requiring special training and certification, command extremely high fees because few companies offer these services. Hoarding cleanup franchises address a growing problem with compassion and professionalism while generating substantial revenue. Post-construction cleanup franchises serve the booming construction industry with specialized equipment and expertise. Personal service franchises are evolving in fascinating ways. Personal shopping and styling franchises cater to busy professionals who lack time for wardrobe maintenance. Errand-running franchises handle everything from grocery shopping to waiting for repair technicians, targeting time-strapped urban professionals. Professional organizing franchises help people declutter their lives while building recurring client relationships. The fitness industry offers unconventional franchise models beyond typical gyms. Senior fitness franchises design programs specifically for older adults, addressing balance, flexibility, and social interaction needs. Outdoor adventure franchises organize hiking groups, kayaking expeditions, and camping trips for people seeking active social experiences. Recovery and rehabilitation fitness franchises work with physical therapists to provide specialized exercise programs for injury recovery. Automotive services present unexpected franchise opportunities. Mobile oil change franchises eliminate the need for expensive shop locations while offering maximum convenience. Vehicle wrap and graphics franchises serve businesses needing mobile advertising solutions. Classic car restoration franchises combine passion with profit, targeting collectors willing to pay premium prices for quality work. Home services franchises are expanding into specialized niches most people never consider. Gutter cleaning franchises might sound unglamorous, but they generate steady recurring revenue with minimal competition. Holiday decoration installation franchises capitalize on seasonal demand while commanding high hourly rates. Lawn care franchises focusing on organic or eco-friendly treatments differentiate themselves in crowded markets while charging premium prices. Children's services offer surprising franchise possibilities beyond daycare centers. Mobile entertainment franchises bring parties, magic shows, or educational programs directly to customers. After-school program franchises fill gaps in childcare while providing educational enrichment. Children's art and creativity franchises combine fun with learning, appealing to parents seeking developmental activities for their kids. Now, here's something that might completely change how you think about franchising. Consulting franchise opportunities let you leverage expertise in specific industries without requiring massive capital investments. Business coaching franchises help other entrepreneurs succeed while building your own profitable enterprise. Digital marketing consulting franchises serve small businesses struggling with online presence while requiring minimal startup costs. The key to success with unconventional franchises lies in understanding that you're often entering markets with less competition but strong demand. These opportunities require more research and due diligence than established franchise concepts, but that's exactly why they offer higher profit potential for early adopters willing to take calculated risks. As we move deeper into 2026, traditional franchise models are becoming increasingly saturated, while these unconventional opportunities remain relatively untapped. The entrepreneurs who recognize this shift and act decisively will position themselves for exceptional success in emerging markets that others haven't even discovered yet. Which of these unconventional franchise ideas sparked your interest? Drop a comment below and let me know which concept you'd like me to research more deeply. If this video opened your eyes to franchise opportunities you'd never considered, smash that like button and subscribe for more unconventional business ideas that could change your financial future. Remember, while everyone else fights over the obvious choices, the real money is in the opportunities they're not even looking for.